Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to make a beautiful bow headband just using scrap fabric that I have already used to make a party frock for a 2-year-old girl. And for this I have taken a plain headband with teeth on it, and the band should match the color of the frock. Let's get started. Take 2 pieces of fabric with a length of 4.5 inches and a width of 4 inches. I have taken the fabrics I used on the frock. Place a lace around one piece of the fabric and then keep the other piece of fabric on top and start stitching only on the 3 sides, keeping one side open. Keep the lace extended until we finish all 4 sides. Turn over and fold inside the unstitched side and stitch it while sandwiching the lace. The bow for the headband is almost done at this point. I'm going to pinch and fold the mid part of the rectangle piece as shown and secure it with the help of glue gun. You can also stitch it. To make it more prettier, I'm going to wrap the glued part with the same lace I used for the edges. Now the simple yet beautiful bow is ready. Now I measure the length of the band with a tape and leave an extra 2 inches for sewing allowance. Take a strip of fabric of that length and with a width of 2 inches and fold it from the center and stitch it as shown. When you start to stitch, double fold one end of the strip and keep a thread in the middle and stitch. This is a hack done to make the turning easy and quicker. When you have double folded the other end of the strip, just pull the thread that you placed inside and you can see how easily I can turn the strip. Cut out the thread when you're done. Now keep the seam on the center and press the strip well by ironing. Attach the strip on the band you have chosen. Keep the seam invisible by keeping it on the pasting side. I do not like to wrap a ribbon around the band as it will hide all the teeth in the band and the band will not be secured when worn. So I have opted this method. I took the same lace to cover the 2 ends of the band. Now it's time for me to use the glue gun and attach the bow on the center. You can now see the fabric strip is not stable and has wrinkles and does not give me a neat finishing. I'm going to convert this fabric into a plastic finishing that looks stiff and will give me a perfect arc with the help of this simple super glue. Just apply it on the places where the fabric can be seen on both sides and let it dry. And you will be amazed to see how neatly it has turned out. If you found this video useful, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Bye bye from Home and You.